you run the ads. Now you need to book the appointment, right? So the leads are coming in. What do you do now? So a few important things here. First, you're going to follow up within 5 minutes for the appointment setting call. Okay, we've looked at the data from hundreds of thousands of leads. If you want to get more leads responding, picking up the phone, you have to call in under 5 minutes. If you can't do that because you're busy with coaching sessions or whatever, that's cool. Just put somebody on the phone. It could be a brother, sister, nephew, a coach. Have them on the phone, give them the appointment setting script, and just by responding to the leads quickly in under 5 minutes, you'll get like a 10 times higher response rate. It's the biggest hack in the world. Then you want to make sure you're reaching out with personalized messages. So send out texts. We also send out emails. Send out, if people don't answer the phone, send out a personal video selfie, right, that references them by name. And, that'll go a long way, and they realize, oh, yeah, like this is for me. Now, what's really important here in our follow-up, we have a 5-day follow-up system built in with 20 to 30 touch points. So what this means is the lead opts in, and we're going to follow up until we've got them booked on the calendar. Now, studies have been done extensively on businesses that say that the most people respond or buy after 5 follow-up attempts. Yet the same studies show that the average business owner only follows up twice. And that's what I've seen with struggling gyms as well. So the gyms that are losing money on Facebook ads or can't get anywhere, they run ads, they get a lead, they call the lead once or text the lead once, maybe twice, and then they give up. And then they say, oh, the leads are not qualified, the leads are not good. When actually, no, it's your follow-up that's not good. We have a 20 to 30 touch point follow-up system. That's a combination of calls every day, text message, email, voicemail, videos. And yes, it sounds like a lot, but that's what you have to do to break through the noise because people are so busy today. And yeah, sure, maybe 1 or 2 people might opt out because they say this is too many messages. Cool, I don't care if 1 or 2 leads opt out because of that, but it helps me sign up 5 more clients and change their lives. I'm good with that trade-off. So think about it, right? If you're advertising in against one of the gyms in my town, and we have equal ads, we have an equal cost per lead, we both get a lead. You follow up with the lead twice and give up, but I follow up with that lead 20 times this week. Who do you think is going to have the best chance of talking to that lead? Right? It's not the leads, you've got to work them harder. So just to show you what that looks like in the system. So we have like a high level system. So we track and we build all this for the gym owners too on a high level. So we just import this kind of system that works for us. It's going to track where the lead came from. Was it a Facebook lead, a Google lead, an organic lead? And it's going to send you a notification. This is important. When a lead comes in, make sure your system sends a notification to you or your team member to say, hey, a lead just opted in, call them back ASAP. Sometimes you getting that text message allows you to get back to that lead faster, and then faster response time, higher booking rate. Okay, and after that then, this system is going to continue for 5 days with a mix of texts and emails. Those emails are going to give value, going to share case studies, share articles and tips, right? Don't just follow up with, when can we talk? When can we talk? When can we talk? You've got to be adding in value, right? So again, share links to a case study, share links to articles you've made or a podcast you recorded, or a newspaper article that you were featured in to build your authority and trust, right? Do those things or YouTube videos maybe. And then you're going to get a lot more response. So where were we? All right. So you've done that now. You've done all that. And now you've booked the lead. Okay. So one other important thing we have, here's an example. Your automations and follow-ups can be sending the prospects to a booking page. So this is what the booking page looks like in our funnel. You want to make sure you have a video at the top. Okay, we script all this for gym owners, so we script the exact booking page video. We've tested this, and if you have your consultation calendar without a video for context, the booking rate is way lower. But if you put a video in explaining to them, here's the value of booking this, here's what you're going to get, whether you buy or not, then the conversion rate will be higher. All right. And then you can put some testimonials and stuff on there, and then they book.